Science, Unit 2, DCA. Question 1. Some people add sugar to their hot tea. Which property of sugar remains the same when the sugar is in the tea solution? A. The taste of the sugar. B. The size of the sugar crystals. C. The color of the sugar. D. The texture of the sugar. Question 2. A student mixes sugar and sand. Which of the steps below would most easily separate the sugar from the sand? A. Pour the mixture of sugar and sand onto a piece of paper. Brush the mixture into a pile. Drag a magnet through the pile. B. Stir the mixture of sugar and sand into a glass of water. Pour this mixture through a filter. Evaporate the water. C. Put the mixture of sugar and sand in a pan. Heat the pan for 10 minutes. Let the hot mixture cool slowly. D. Spread the mixture of sugar and sand into a thin layer. Look at the mixture through a magnifying glass. Separate the crystals with the pin. Three. A student has a mixture of sand and iron filings in a bowl. Which of the following would be the easiest way to separate the mixture? A. Place a magnet in the bowl. B. Add water to the bowl. C. Pour the mixture through a filter. D. Add glue to the mixture. Question 4. A mixture of beads was placed in a container as shown below. The beads are of various sizes, and each one is made of plastic, glass, or steel. The mixture would be easy to separate because all the beads, A, are less dense than water, B, are solids, C, have the same mass, D, are attracted to a magnet. Question 5. A student adds each of the following ingredients to a cup of water and stirs the mixture. He classifies 3 of the materials as insoluble and 1 as soluble. Which material is the student most likely to label as soluble in water? A. Sand. B. Iron filings. C. Sugar. D. Glass marbles. Question 6. The chart below describes the mixtures used in an investigation. Mixtures investigation. Mixture W. Ingredients: sand and water. Mixture X. Lemon juice and water. Mixture Y. Salt and water. Mixture Z. Sand and iron filings. Which of the following would you most likely observe after stirring together the ingredients of mixture X? A. The water and salt stay separated. B. The sand settles to the bottom of the water. C. The lemon juice makes the water cloudy. D. The water and lemon juice stay separated. Question 7. A student creates a mixture of sugar and white sand. The particles of each ingredient are the same size and color. Which physical property allows a student to easily separate the mixture? A. Sugar dissolves in water. B. Sand dissolves in water. C. Sugar is magnetic. D. Sand is magnetic. Question 8. A student combined 10 grams of salt and 50 milliliters of water in a cup and placed the solution outside in the hot summer sun to evaporate. What will most likely remain in the cup after several days in the sun? A. 50 milliliters of water. B. 5 grams of salt. C. 60 milliliters of water. D. 10 grams of salt. Question 9. Emmanuel added 3 teaspoons of salt to a glass of lemon lime flavored sport drink. What was most likely the result of adding salt to the sport drink? A. The salt separated from the drink and floated on the top of the drink. B. The salt caused the water from the sport drink to evaporate. C. The salt dissolved and the sport drink became salty. D. There was no change to the properties of the sport drink. Question 10. Lucinda and Martin mixed a jar of metal bolts to a container filled with corks. Later, Martin went back to the container and wanted the corks separated from the bolts. The bolts and corks can be separated by A. Cooling the mixture. B. Adding water to the mixture. C. Adding marbles to the mixture. D. Heating the mixture.